Good evening. On my specialty channel you will be able to find interesting information on bottling and cupping machines. Our company has a wide experience in pharmaceutical equipment for pouring liquids into glass ampoules, penicillin vials, plastic bottles. We offer a full complex for filling and cupping of any liquid and oily substances. We complete automatic lines and stand-alone filling and capping machines with a screw capping and aluminum cap rolling. We will help you with the choice of the filling and sealing line for glass, sterile and non-sterile ampoules. Our equipment catalog and main website are called Minipress.ru. We use a legal entity registered in Moscow to work with our clients. We accept payment for the equipment and services connected with searching for the equipment to our account in Moscow. We present ourselves as a Russian company with offices in Moscow and Minsk. In fact, we have the largest in Russia multi-language catalog of pharmaceutical equipment with photos, descriptions and, what is more important, with prices and video demonstration of the equipment in operation. Our company has an office in Shanghai and several managers who help in working with Chinese suppliers. These people have been working with us for a long time and we have full control of them. If the factory signs a contract with our Chinese company, we will refund the customer's money easily through the code. This gives more responsibility to factories when working with our orders. Chinese factories appreciate regular partners and customers from whom they regularly receive money for equipment. We help our clients. We try to understand the client's task as clearly as possible. When start working to minimize the risks of buying equipment that will be non-operational. Our task is to give an option of the equipment that will solve the client's problems. Roman discourages up to 60% of the customers from the purchase of equipment they have chosen themselves. This indicates the presence of hidden problems and lack of understanding of process and technologies by our clients. Thanks for your interest in my channel. I make new videos every day. Write your questions in the comments and thank you for your likes under the video.